Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the sunny Da Nang again. Even though it kind of rains every single afternoon now. I don't know why. At least the last 3 days it just rained hardcorely in the afternoon. But hi. Yeah, it's still sunny on the next day. And to be honest, on the next day it is nice air, clean. You have very good sights to the mountains, yeah, which is very nice. We are here on the An Street and passing by the An Thuong 5 now. I'm gonna give you a little bit of an understanding on the weather today. It is again 30 degrees. It is in the sun, it's very hot. In the shade, it's humid still. The beach is good, but something is maybe gonna happen again in the evening. Yesterday it looked like the world is done. It was like a non-stop lightning, like crazy. Just like a paparazzi when Kim Kardashian is pulling up or something. It was non-stop lightning, crazy. And the city center also flooded very quick in 30 minutes. A friend of mine, I saw his story, crazy. He was in the city, oh my God, okay, 1 second first. Look at this cool cars again, VF3. My God, this is, you know what I like about those? You always see different ones. It's so cool, I absolutely love it. Yeah, so my friend was actually in the city center yesterday, in the Haichao area, which can flood, flash flood. But it was like super hardcore rain for like 20 minutes or something. But then it was normal rain. But it's still flooded. Here it's usually good. Here it's working out pretty well. This here is An Thuong 6. This is also new here. You can have some very popular Central Vietnamese noodle dishes here. Bun Bo Hue and Mi Quang. Quang. This is how they taught me. Quang. Oh wow. Kim and Shing Villa. Interesting. You have a villa here, and this here was before, if you walked here by, this was a Korean barbecue, not Korean, a Korean fried chicken place. Now it's a villa. Interesting, with pool. Then we have here, yeah, I think this is a normal living complex. It looks very rough outside. Yeah. Maybe they could paint it new. That would be nice. And there was a building or something was here. Just completely demolished it. Somewhere there was a spa. Huh. Maybe it was there and they just demolished it. Also on the backside, on the An Thuong 5, is also a new building. This is a super stylish building. This is, I think this is an apartment building. Look at this. This very modern green here. Very beautiful. Looks very newish or renovated. Brother Grimm is closed right now. I don't know what's happening here. I think they are probably open, but it's too early. This year, An Thuong 8 might be a very interesting place for you if you want to stay here for longer. There are so many, not many, but 3 new buildings. 3 new apartment buildings. And here's also Emma's bar, even though my wife also called, her English name is Emma, but that's not hers. Whoa! What happened here? So Emma's bar was here. Now they just cut the property. So it was, this whole place was Emma's bar. Now probably there was just rented the 2 lots, and now it's a small lot. Yeah. It's open air bar. Yeah. Very interesting. I remember this is where I had my first Long Island iced tea in in Da Nang, right in the first week when I came here with my English friends. Shout out to David, Danny, of course, and Ash. Yeah, Emma's bar is still here, but it's only half now. So it's 50% Emma. And here's also something very interesting. What I have not, like, it looks like you should not go in there. But it is a vegetarian restaurant. Look at this. Around $1 here, the first ones, then $1.20, $1.30. Yeah, very interesting. Vegetarian. Every time you see this sign here, chai, that means vegetarian or vegan. Depends. But if it's vegan, they will say it's vegan. Yeah, and it is apparently in this house here. Very interesting. This is also very, you could do something with this land. Maybe make a, you know, if you don't use it, maybe just make a parking there, you know? That would be great, a parking lot, you know? Let's have a parking lot if you don't use this thing. Oh, what is going on here? Tangerine. Tangerine. Oh, there's another room apartment. I will make a photo. Okay, I will put it into my Google Maps guide. But Tangerine, brand new. I think it's a restaurant. There are many new restaurants and bars all over the place. But yeah, so this is a new apartment building, and this here's a new apartment building. Huh. I think. Not sure what this is, but this is also brand new. And you got the Mian Sports Center over here. They have a nice gym inside and a football field or soccer field for my American friends. Vinaigrette, also a long time here. Eastern European dishes. And there's a cozy little corner coffee here. I'm not sure what it is. It is kitchen and bar. Okay, so it's not a coffee. And here's actually blends, guys. This is very, very popular here. This is what I really like here on those little streets. This is An Thuong 9. Look how green it is. It's because of those trees that are very, very important. It's nice and cool in the street here. Yeah, it feels very good. Look at this sunshine block. I can see sunshine block here. My God. We have the Australian himself, the Collingwood fanatic. Collingwood! I'm actually making a walk now, yeah. Say hi to your fellow Australians here.
Hi there, how are we all? Long time no see.
Are you good?
Yeah, good mate. How are you?
I'm good. You don't drink for July?
No, I'm off it.
My God.
I already lost a kilo.
Do you have to give up your Australian citizenship if you don't drink for more than 1 month?
No, it's in my parole.
Parole?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right, guys, I just helped David out with a SIM card. He had some issues, and then we set up all the other things. But yeah, as you can see, 1.5 hours later, it's raining again. Just like yesterday. Just like yesterday, guys. But this is social semi-walks, and social semi-walks also in the rain with an umbrella. And this guy, it's working also when it's raining. Having an open fire on a motorbike, he will not stop selling buns. This is a brand new restaurant here, but they are not open yet. Also, I heard from David this Sacom bank is only charging 30,000 dong, and you can pick up 3 million max. So it's not good, but it is not as bad as the other ones. And also, I don't know who said that, but lots of people came up to me and said, "Oh, VP Bank is not working, blah blah blah. It's not free." It's still free, guys. I don't know who's. Maybe the one, the tourist zone ATM is, but I actually have few ATMs. You can just Google Maps search other ATMs from the VP Bank, and they should be fine. I also have them on my Google Maps guide, but you don't have to get a my Maps guide for that. Just Google VP Bank and go to another location, not in Soncha. I just tried it out and it was free. Yeah, this is An Thuong 34. It's still raining, but at least it's not raining heavily. Nasty. Such a nasty weather, mate. It's so nasty, I'm becoming English here. It's English weather. But I think my Aussies also have this kind of winter right now, right? Comment below, how is the winter in Australia at the moment? Is it the same? What a beautiful pavement here. Immaculate. But then there are some morons parking there again. Like, you could literally park here on this green grass here, right? But no, let's park at the pavement, mate. 'Cause why not? This is a pretty interesting here. Explore Nang. Okay. All right. So many new stores here in the street. We have another facial nourishing shampoo. There's nothing going on, but those are apartment buildings. Tattoo, another tattoo store. I think lots of people understood here they can charge a lot of money for tattoos in the city. So there are lots of tattoo shops popping out left and right. But about the quality, I have no idea. I think in Australia it's expensive to get a tattoo. In Germany, compared to Australia, not that much. So I don't think it's a good value to go here. And the Go Cafe. Very cute doggo. I might get a coffee right now, because why not? What a nasty weather. Yeah. But as you can see, it does not flood. That's at least something. And people still driving around. Oh, look at this. An Infinity truck. Also, not often I see this kind of car here. No, some people don't walk around with umbrellas. Maybe they're from England. Yeah. That's how it looks, guys. You know what? You should watch this video here. Maybe it is a little bit nicer than this rain. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm walking for you every day, and see you in the next vlog.